Hello everybody, today I want to tell you about how to put profile picture on Facebook on iPhone. I want to show you how to put your profile picture and post your picture, your new profile picture, and how to change your profile picture and not post. Okay, sorry, my English is awful, but I know that you understand me. Okay, when you are here, remember update your app first. Okay, that is so important. Update your app. Now, when you are here, toss in your corner three lines, and here open your Facebook profile. Now, can you watch, okay, my profile picture? No, a little camera, okay, share a song below a little camera. Toss here, okay. Now, this is my picture, okay, my camera roll, my suggest photos, okay, photo frames. This is like icons, okay. Uploads of photos that I have in my Facebook and profile picture, all picture, okay, photos that I have before. Let me put example this, okay. You can select that you want, okay. Now I select this. Okay, that is the most important thing here. Below, can you watch share your update to feed? Okay, if you want share or create a new post with your new profile picture, enable this. But if you don't watch, like me, I don't watch create a new post with that picture, disable and save in the corner, save blue button, and this is all. It's so easy and really fast. Okay, sorry for my bad English. Have a good day and see you later.